What's up, everyone? Nightmare here. Today we have another challenge lock from Stormcrow. This one is called A Rock in a Hard Place. Here's the key. It's got an actuator on the back, so it can only go that far. You can kind of see it in the back here. So we opened this one off camera, just picking around for fun, and I thought it'd be fun to try and get it on camera. Again, we're gonna be picking with this in the bottom of the keyway to kind of lever off of. I think I picked it clockwise, and I was just using my short flat from the Moki Bard set. There we go. Super fun pick. And we got lucky with the key bitting, being able to pick off the warding like that with this short flat. Been really enjoying this Moki set though. It kicks butt for sure. And they were just telling me that there's a funny story behind this lock where there's a pebble embedded in the front of this, and I guess they found it in their food. So that's super funny. Beautiful work on the lock, as always. See, Stormcrow. And you can see we are open. We can turn that very far. Let's go ahead and lock it it back up. Grab our gutting stuff. I should have been ready. Number 1. Sure. Yeah, I've really been enjoying working through all these challenge logs. Super fun. Feels like you learn a lot. Very cool. We can already see a little bit of overmilling at chamber 5. Every time I go to do a video, I'm missing something. Here we go. Tweezers. Standard in 1. Standard in 2. Standard in 3. Standard in 4. Standard in 5. And standard in 6. Let's take a look at that core again. Awesome. So now let's check out the driver pins, starting in chamber 1. Yes, a taper. You can kind of tell that there's a taper because as you set it, the core rotates like while you're setting it. I thought I felt something like that in here. Ooh, very nice, little serrated action. Three, nice spool. 6. Another taper. Another taper in 5. And last but not least, in 4, another spool. Leave that in there, you can kind of see it. Very nice work on these. I'm currently getting my butt kicked by some of their other challenge locks, but that's okay. You know it's a Stormcrow lock because you always have this awesome engraving. I think this is the first one of theirs that I've picked that's in a Mortise body and not in a kick. Let's get everything lined up for a nice picture. Oops. As I throw away the keys and all the pins. All right, let's get a close up. Yeah, awesome pin work. I actually really like tapers. Tapers and spools are pretty fun to pick. That was a very fun one. Let's get this bad boy put back together while we're here. I think I was picking on Clown Lonk the other day, which was another Stormcrow one in a Mortise body. So hopefully we'll get that one open soon. Just running the Stormcrow CL Gauntlet right now. And when we're done, all these are going to go off in a package to Noodle Thumb for him to enjoy them. And speaking of Noodle Thumb, he is going to send me a dial. I believe it's a SNG 6730, something like that. And I can start working on dials, so that'll be super fun. Lots of fun stuff coming up for me. I've got my first lever lock in the mail. That'll be cool. It's SNG 4440. Dual custody safety deposit box lock. What else do I have? I got an Acid Desmo coming. That'll be cool. Never done sliders before. Well, I guess we kind of have. We did that unranked Magnum Pacific, which was honestly probably a good foray into sliders. Shim is not wanting to cooperate as usual. Face this side. The more bent side, that'll surely work. There we go. I just kind of want to clear that gap. But if we put it in straight like this, it shouldn't matter. Oops. There we go. All right. Not too tight. Perfect. That was A Rock and a Hard Place by Stormcrow, picked and gutted. So super fun lock. Thanks again for all these. We're going to continue to work through them, and I'll see you guys in the next one.